You already know where variables take their values from and how you can make operations on them, but the results of these operations may vary, depending on the character you use for embracing the operation. So let's modify the script, and here instead of total, let's use dialog command and remove this line. Let's run this. Right. Make sure not to have any spaces here. Let's run this. The dialog displays for the results of adding 2 and 2, which are the values of the number variable. Now, try this and run. Now you see 2 plus 2 in the dialog. So what happened? The answer lies in the triple quotes character. Do you remember it? It is used to embrace strings, text containing spaces. In this case, the expression number plus number is treated as text, so the robot just inserts the value of the number variable on both sides of the plus sign and displays it all as text, not the result of a mathematical operation.